Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. US markets, it was just opposite of Indian market yesterday. Indian markets kept on moving higher yesterday and US markets kept on falling after opening a gap up. Nasdaq 100 has fallen about 400 points from intraday high and then later recovered about 80-90 points. Nvidia was the only stock that was higher by more than 10%. Other than that, it was across the board profit booking. There was no negative news, nothing, and the market have shot up so much, but it was just a profit booking. And moreover, there is one bank in US, some analysts came out with a very, very bad report. They say that S&P 500 target may be, around 4,300. So that's about 20% lower than from the current level. So Asian markets are following the US markets, mostly down, and GIFT Nifty is also following the US market about 40-50 points lower. Now, coming to the internals of our market. Yesterday, the Nifty hit all-time high, fresh all-time high. It's about 1% higher than the previous all-time high, or about 200 points more than the previous all-time high. However, the Bank Nifty, it's about 1,000 points lower than the previous all-time high. So yesterday, Nifty hit fresh all-time high, but not the Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty is still, 1,000 points or 2% away from its previous all-time high. So that shows that the Bank Nifty has almost underperformed by 3 percentage points. Just imagine if that is getting corrected, where the Nifty will go. Nifty can very well go to 23,500. But however, having said that, surely the people will like to book the profit if the markets rise too much ahead of the elections. And in fact, most of the analysts, that's what people are cautioning. In fact, I've also been cautioning the same thing. If you are a trader, if you are holding long position, better to cut your long positions, taking this rally as a good opportunity. Or if you are an investor, you may not like to exit the positions, but you may very well hedge your position. Now, because the markets have rallied so much, the hedging costs are very, very cheap. Say, for example, if you are holding a portfolio equivalent to the contract value of Nifty, just by buying a 23,000 put option in December series, the hedging cost is only about 3% of your portfolio. However, if you are not willing to pay so much money for hedging, you can always consider financing that, by selling 25,000 call. So, that will reduce your hedging cost only by, your hedging cost will only be 0.5% of your portfolio. 0.5% of your portfolio, one day market goes higher also you can recover. But in case, market crashes after the election, you will be safe. However, there's a drawback in financing the hedging buy. That's because, in case if markets go higher than 25,000, you should know how to manage that position, or you must be willing to exit your portfolio beyond 25,000. Right? So even if market goes higher, as I've been telling you many times, the probability of downside potential is very high. Downside risk is very, very high. Probability of upside risk is very, very low. So even Nifty may go to 24,000 to 24,500, even if there is a stable government. But then after that, it depends on, just like Indian parliament election, the US parliament election fever will start, in July or August, because I think in November there is a US election. So then the global markets will be jittery. So our markets, not likely to go for a runaway rally. I read a report now, we may be taking over, Hong Kong market cap So we are nearing Hong Kong market cap now. So therefore, it's very, very clear upside is limited. So that's my point. Of course, I may be wrong. So I have a right to be wrong, right? So those who simple advice, if you are a trader, reduce your positions. If you are an investor, cover your positions, hedge your positions. So otherwise, yesterday Nifty closed at fresh all-time high. Even 23,200 call is trading around 80 rupees. So these people, those who are buying, mostly the people who are buying this, they are trying to hedge their, already short positions, hedging. There may be a hedging, but this, if they are nakedly, if somebody is buying this 23,200, then these people will make money only if the Nifty closes above 23,300. We have only 5 more trading sessions for that. So anyway, so this is how options move. When the markets move higher, call premiums will shoot up. When markets move lower, put premiums will shoot up. So that is why the India VIX going higher. Yesterday the India VIX was down, but while going higher, it went about 5%, 10% like that. While coming down, it's coming down by 0.5% or 1/4% like that. So still India VIX is about 20. So as long as Nifty is above 20, market can be violent on either side. So and this violent movement is likely to continue going forward. So FIAs have turned net buyers, so that is something positive, but still overall for the month of May, they were aggressive sellers. So remember that. So far, I think about 20 trading sessions are over, 4 weeks are over, out of which only 2 trading sessions they were net buyers, and all remaining 18 trading sessions they were aggressive sellers. So therefore, there is nothing much to read into their buying, So as I told you, I don't know how these FIAs make money. They always come and buy at all-time high. So anyway, so they're giving a good opportunity for domestic institutions to book their profits. So today's stock-specific action may continue. So ITC may be reacting to its numbers. The numbers were not that impressive. And then, a few other stocks like Hindalco, Sun TV, like those few stocks are coming out with results today. So those stock specific action will continue. So we also need to see, is there any follow-up buying in Adani Enterprise and Adani Port? Both shot up like anything yesterday. So Adani, as I told you, it may be coming in Sensex. If it comes in Sensex, one day it may come into Nifty also. So that is a thing now. So markets are, I would say, slightly euphoric. That is not warranted at this point of time. If the same euphoric continues after the results, then that is a time to take a long position, but not when the markets are euphoric just ahead of such a bigger event. So let us see where the market goes today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.